students, welcome, and today we will discuss how to write a conclusion for IELTS writing task 2. Now this is a question that I have posted before and I have made salient points on how you can make good paragraphs which are worthy of band 9. So let's look at how to write a conclusion. Also this question came in the IELTS test recently. Okay, so let's begin. Some people think that climate change could lead to a negative effect on business. Others think that climate change could create more business opportunities. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Now, in the previous video, I said that climate change could create more business opportunities. Please do check it out so that you can get to know the relationship between this video and the previous video. Firstly, we should understand what is a conclusion. Conclusion is basically the summary of your ideas. Whatever ideas you have written previously in your body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2 and body paragraph 3 if you go that deep. Okay. So firstly, whenever we write conclusion, we say in conclusion, to conclude, because this gives the reader to actually see the fact that you are writing a conclusion. Okay, so we say in conclusion, or you can write to conclude, although there are challenges and costs associated with addressing climate change. Challenges and costs, I've already posted a video regarding this, so you have to check out the previous video to understand what challenges and what costs I'm trying to say. With addressing climate change, businesses that proactively adopt environmentally responsible practices and technologies are likely to thrive, because I think climate change can bring about more business opportunities. So I say that businesses that proactively adopt environmentally responsible practices and technologies are likely to thrive. Not all businesses will thrive, but businesses who adopt these practices will thrive. In the changing economic landscape, because economies change, economies evolve, as nations evolve, economies evolve. For example, in India in the 1960s, we were a predominantly agriculture based economy, but by the 1990s we became a service based economy. Similarly, in the 1900s, the United States was a manufacturing hub, but by the late 1990s, it had become a technological center. So its economic landscape had changed. In my opinion, again I am saying, now I have to give my opinion also, because the question states that, in my opinion, the overall impact of climate change on firms or companies will depend on their ability to adapt and seize opportunities. See, I have reiterated my previous point here, just stated here, okay? To a more sustainable economy, an economy that functions periodically without creating more waste. It's like clockwork, okay? And in turn serves as a catalyst for innovation, and in turn serves as a catalyst. What is a catalyst? A catalyst is a compound or a chemical that changes the speed of the reaction, that increases the speed of the reaction, for innovation and growth in the business world. Because we are talking about business opportunities, so we have to reiterate what we are talking about, because if were talking about, let's say, environmentally, we would have stated something about the environment, nature. Okay, this question is twofold. It It talks about climate change, it talks about businesses and amalgamates them together. How climate change affects businesses. So we have to fuse both points. Make sure that you do that. Don't just talk about climate change only. Okay? This concludes the video for this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button